taking the day off. Now get dressed and come on over.
We're back. Mitchell Griffith here with Griffith Goods and Spirits, and today we finally found
Bueller.
We're making fancy pizza bagels day off and cutting class to make some alcoholic Sonic drinks. Want to make this the easiest family dinner you've ever hosted? Well, now with Easybins it is. Easybins is convenient and easy way to get this recipe and hundreds more delivered straight to your door, taking the hassle out of getting groceries. Use the code Griffith5 in order to get $5 off your next Easybins order. As we always do, let's start with a cocktail. Today we've got 3 different Sonic drinks.
What are we gonna do?
The question isn't what are we going to do, the question is what aren't we going to do?
Not a sponsor, but we're gonna add some Malibu to this ocean water. Just about 2 ounces will do ya. We've got some peach sweet tea here, and we're gonna add 2 ounces of bourbon to it. And then we've got a raspberry slush that we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka to. We'll give all these a quick stir. And you've got 3 of the easiest cocktails that you've ever made. We've got all of our cocktails done, and now what we're gonna do is start on the fancy pizza bagels. We've got 4 bagels here, and what we're gonna do is just take our brush and lightly brush the outsides of these with a little bit of olive oil. After coating the outsides of the bagel with olive oil, we then added 1 tablespoon of sauce to the inside of the bagel. Be careful not to add too much sauce or else your bagels will get soggy. We used our homemade tomato sauce. Follow us on Patreon if you want to get that recipe and many more. Now for the fun part. This recipe is easy enough for everyone to do. Whether it's a fun date night, or you're having friends over, or something fun that you just want to do with the kids. This gives you the ability to make a pizza that's special just to you. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna get some of this mozzarella and just tear it up and toss it on the bagel. Now time for the toppings. This is the fun part, because you can add whatever you want to your own personal pizza.
Here's where Cameron goes berserk.
I've got a little purple onion, some bell peppers, Parmesan, pepperoni, and some green onions. But whatever you want to put on your pizza is up to you.
You're not dying, you just can't think of anything good to do.
I've got all of our pizza bagels topped and ready to go in the oven. Got the oven set to 350, and you're just gonna toss them in there for about 8 to 12 minutes until all the cheese is melted. I just pulled all of our fancy pizza bagels from the oven after about 12 minutes, and then I let them sit under the broiler for about 2 minutes just to get some good color on them. Now I'm gonna let them rest and cool down for about 5 minutes, and then you'll be ready for family dinner. If you'd like to see more Griffith Goods and Spirits content, hit us up with a like and subscribe.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
And then follow us on Patreon in order to get exclusive recipes, merch, and awesome behind the scenes content.